Hi everyone, this is Deborah, and in this very short video I'm going to show you some new features about how to play a video in Canvas. And this is really great if you want to see closed captioning in larger font, and if you want to move it around. It's really valuable for a lot of people that have visual issues. So let's look at this video, and the tools I'm talking about are down here. First of all, this square button right here is where you can toggle your captions on or off. That means, to see the words in print across the bottom or top of your video screen as you're hearing it, okay? It's a visual representation of the narration. So when you click on this thing, you click it to turn the captions on, and you click it again if you want to turn them off. So if you want to turn them on, you can do that. When you see a solid white square, then that means it's on. And here's what you would see is if you play the video with them on like this.
Hi everyone, this is Deborah, and please be sure to watch this video all the way to the
Okay, I just muted my computer. These are the captions I'm talking about, okay? And so I'm going to stop the video right now. I'm going to go back over here and show you how you can change how these captions appear. This is all new in Canvas, in Studio, I should say, of Canvas. So when you're dealing with videos, this is what you can do. You can click this settings button, this little sprocket. You click that, and then you go up here to where it says Captions and click the arrow. And here you can do a couple of things, three different things. You can change the size of the captions. Okay, if you click that, then you can choose either normal, which is quite small, large, which is pretty large, or extra large if you really want to see them big. It's big, you can tell what it looks like behind this little dialogue thing. So I'm going to go with large right now. Then I'm going to click back to the previous menu, and the second thing you can do is decide whether you want to see your captions at the bottom of the screen of the video or at the top of the video. Right now it's mine are at the bottom of the video, but you can change it right here and make it just by clicking this button over here and make it go on top, and this is where it would look on top. Or you can click it again to go back and put your captions at the bottom. The third thing you can do is invert the colors of the captions. You can either keep it at whatever it is, if it's a white text on a black background, or you can click this button and it'll change to black text on a white background. And it toggles it back and forth. Whichever one you prefer is up to you. And then when you're done, you can just click anywhere away from this menu, and it'll keep going. Okay, and that's how I've got mine set up right now. And so those are the things you can do with your captions. It's pretty cool. So I encourage you to use these tools, give them a shot, try them out, and see whether you like them. That's it, and that's all.